Well, in the middle of the 1990s, the British military, you mentioned the RAF, the British military started adopting commercial off-the-shelf electronic equipment rather than everything being absolutely bespoke. It started buying stuff off the shelf, even using Windows operating systems for its electronic, a whole range of things, including warfare and battlefield surveillance and all the rest of it. Was that sort of a step change in your market? Did that give you a bit of a boost, or did it really not make that much difference? Where at the end of the day, the PCBs, printed circuit boards, they're essentially the same. Were they essentially the same, regardless of whether it was a bespoke manufacturer or commercial off the shelf?
Well, I don't think that change had that much of an impact on our business per se. However, it is true that when you have, commercial products getting into defense and military, then you have a different, set of issues and struggles. One of them being the programmed obsolescence. You have those components, commercial components, even though they have been developed for commercial as well as military. In many cases, they follow, the life cycle of the commercial sector, and then they become obsolete more quickly as well. So they are more readily available. They are cheaper to acquire and to implement. But if you don't have, a plan, an obsolescence management plan, which involves developing the capabilities to look after that asset throughout the project, and that project can always be extended. We have seen I've been doing this for over 20 years, and I've seen so many projects that had best before date, 2008, and they're still going, and they've been extended until 2035. Yeah. And in some cases, they included commercial parts. So regardless if they are custom made for the military or if they are commercial parts, I think the main point really here is if you don't want to be exposed to the risks of obsolescence, component shortage, counterfeit components, all of that, you really need to invest in, training for repair. You need to invest in the right tools to allow you to, take matters in your own hands.